Welcome to Dev's Academy. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. You are watching Dev's Academy, and here is the method of easily solve numericals on electricity problems. It is from physics class 10. Easily solve numericals on electricity. Physics. We will get some formulae in this class. It will continue till the formulae is ended. Here we have taken the unit of charge, that is Coulomb C, and charge on body Q, A may be small letter or capital letter, equal to plus minus Ne. Plus is for deficit of electron and minus is for gain of electron. Because electrons are always negative in charge. Here it is given. Amount of charge flowing per second, that is I means ampere, equal to Q by T. Whether Q is small letter or capital letter, it is always the same. That is 1 ampere equal to 1 coulomb by 1 second. That is 1 coulomb equal to coulomb per second. And Q equal to Ne, and I equal to Q by T. That is Q means N into E by T. And potential difference PD equal to volt. The unit of potential difference is volt. It is a scalar quantity, and electric potential, that is V equal to Q, that is work done by Q, that is Coulomb. W equal to V into Q, that is 1 volt equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb, that is 1 joule per coulomb. Here it is shown a resistance A R through which the current is flowing. At point A the potential is VA, and at point B the potential is VB. Therefore potential difference between A and B, potential difference A and B, that is V equal to A minus B, that is V equal to, this is equal to W by Q. And from Ohm's law we are getting that V by I equal to R. R is a constant. It is called resistance of the conductor. V equal to, therefore V equal to I into R, and I equal to V by R. Unit of R equal to unit of V by unit of I. I means ampere, current. When specific resistance rho, this is called rho, or resistivity of the material is R equal to rho into 1 by A. A means area or cross section of the wire. That is rho into 1 by pi r square. Pi r square is the area or cross section of the wire area. Number 12 is unit of rho equal to unit of resistance into unit of A means area, and unit of length. That is unit of R is ohms, and unit of A equal to meter square, and unit of length equal to m. That is ohms into meter. This is the symbol of ohms. Next, conductivity. This is called sigma. Sigma equal to 1 by conductivity, 1 by resistivity. This is 1 by rho. This is 1 by rho means 1 by R into A, that is 1 by ohms into meter, that is ohms to the power minus 1 and meter to the power minus 1. This is also called Siemens per meter. Electromotive force, EMF, electromotive force. Here EMF, it is denoted by epsilon, and it is unit of volt is V, and epsilon equal to W by Q or W by small q. Whether it is capital Q or small q, it is same. And terminal voltage of the cell that is V equal to W dash by Q. W dash is the work done in carrying a test charge Q around the circuit connected across the terminals of the cell, that is only outside, not inside the cell. And voltage drop in the cell small v, this is small v equal to, this is small w by Q, where small w is the work done in moving the test charge Q inside the electrolyte, this is inside the electrolyte of the cell. Next, capital W, that is work done, that is W equal to W dash plus W, or when they are divided by this W by the Q equal to W dash by Q equal to W by Q, and W by Q equal to epsilon, W dash by Q equal to V, and W by small w by Q equal to small v. Epsilon equal to capital V plus small v, or V equal to epsilon minus small v. Voltage drop is small v, that is I into R. R is the internal resistance of the cell. Here is a figure. A cell with internal resistance is represented as shown in the adjacent figure. This is the adjacent figure where a cell with internal resistance is shown. Go on watching Dev's Academy, which is to be continued, and more this type of formulae will be given to solve the numerical problems on electricity, that is physics. Thank you. Next day we will again meet.